caffeine and taurine, that's exactly what's in a Red Bull, right? So on top of everything else, it's basically drinking a Red Bull and also everything else. So you're going to feel all those plus the L-theanine taking a little bit of the jitters away, taking the edge off the stimulants. You're going to feel that the first day. Within the first couple of days to a week, the Maca is going to start making you horny as fuck. All right? So taurine, caffeine is going to get you jacked up. Maca makes you horny, right? I like to say you might punch a hole in your wall and start fucking it. But and then after about look, I took on some of the nerd responsibilities, right? So plus 37% testosterone levels from Tongkat Ali within 1 to 2 weeks, right? And for the other things, the zinc, the vitamin D, the B1, the K2, those are all things that you're just deficient in naturally, right? Because it's not in the food anymore. Most people are deficient in zinc. Most people are deficient in vitamin D because they don't go outside. So you're going to feel increased benefits from those over 3 to 4 weeks before they start to peak out.
And then you get slapped with 2 times the dosage of alpha GPC, and you just transcend this reality. And here's the thing, like, not many people know how to put touch grass in a bottle. We put touch grass in a bottle. What do I mean? How much sunlight does it take for you to get your daily intake of vitamin C? No, vitamin D.
A year in London.
A year in London. A full year to get your daily dosage. I think it's between 10 to 30 minutes of direct, uninterrupted contact, skin to sunlight.
And that's if your dick's out, you're naked.
Right. And so you don't get that, bro. How long are you actually inside and fully exposed to the sun consecutively for 10 to 30 minutes? You don't actually get that. So you have more than you need vitamin D in here. I don't know why I keep saying vitamin C. And then you have your zinc, which you're highly deficient in, especially if you're not eating things like organ meat. And you're not eating things like organ meat, because I fucking hate organ meat. Organ meat tastes terrible.
It tastes like shit, let's be honest.
Right. And then you have all your other effects. So that's another thing. You'll have somebody who is like, bro, this is the best supplement ever. And this is the second day that they tried it. We get testimonials like that. And I'm like, bro, you like it now. Like next week, you're going to be trying to take over Jerusalem and retake the homeland. And I'm like, bro, if you feel it now, then I don't know what to tell you. It's going to take you 2 weeks to now swear by this for the rest of your life.
Look, I'm being completely 100% honest. Like, I'm not capping when I say that I helped create the formula. I knew it was good, and I was still shocked when I took it for the first time.